What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another free codecamp tutorial, and in this one we're going to be doing the section Redux and learning how to get state from a Redux store. So the Redux store object provides several methods that allow you to interact with it. For example, you can retrieve the current state held in the Redux store object with a getState method. So to have a bit of a hands-on experience with it, it gives us an exercise. So it says that the code from the previous challenge is rewritten more concisely in the code editor, and use stored.getState method to retrieve the states from the store and assign this to a new variable called current state. So we first of all create a new variable called current state, and then we need to get the state from the store. Get state from the store. So we give it a store which we already have here, and just access this get state method here. Alright, so get state parentheses, perfect, and this should do the work for you. Let's see if we pass the challenge. Yes, we have. Flawless victory. Alright guys, I hope you guys understood the concept of how to get state from the Redux store. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And in the meanwhile, practice, have fun with this new concept, and I'll see you guys in the next video.